I hope all clear. सबके साथ.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
अच्छा, good, good.
हाँ जी दीदी.
So another 2 minutes we wait and then we'll start.
ठीक है दीदी, ठीक है.
Okay. So we can start the session today. And welcome everyone. Welcome to this wonderful magical journey where we start living a life full of happiness. So I welcome all of you here, and especially I welcome Chawla ji here. He has been a father figure to me, and he's such a wonderful soul. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Okay, so yesterday's topic was about magical to-do list. How we can structure our plan for the day and how we can plan it in a way that is better for us so that we are able to achieve it. And then we just imagine that we are getting the result as we want. So there were various lists which I talked about, that how you can plan and how you can implement using different techniques. And one of the greatest technique is the power of being grateful. Because when you are grateful that you have already achieved what you are planning to do, you start receiving that in abundance. You start getting that and you become in a happy mode. Because when you are grateful, you are happy. As it is said that you cannot be grateful and desperate at the same time.
Hi,
Hello, Manisha. Welcome. Welcome. Good
thank
to
you.
have you here. Yeah.
Yeah, same. Even I was waiting for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start now today's chapter. It is a beautiful chapter which talks about magical footsteps. How each footstep that we take can be magical through the power of gratitude. So this chapter talks about intensity of our feelings. It talks about how we can be grateful by intensify our feelings. So who's going to read today?
I will read.
Okay. Otherwise, I was just about to tell Manisha to read.
Yes, even I was waiting. No problem. Let him read next time. Tomorrow I'll read.
No, you can read.
No, ma'am, you
Maybe
can
no
read.
problem. No problem.
You can
Let
read.
him carry on. No. It's okay. You carry on. I'll read tomorrow. It's
Okay.
okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Steve, you start, please, and I'll just. Day 19, Magic Footsteps. Just a minute. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Magic Footsteps. Yes, please.
100 times every day, I remind myself that my inner and outer life depend on the labors of the other man, living and dead, and that I must exert myself in order to give in the same measure as I have received and am still receiving. Albert Einstein, Nobel
Okay.
Prize winning
So,
physicist.
Albert, yeah, Einstein, he was a Nobel Prize winning physician. So what did he say? He said that, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of exert myself? Exerting. You can
Pushing.
Google.
Pushing, no? Pressurizing or pushing?
Yeah, it is.
Pressurizing?
Yes, you can search in
I'm
online
pushing my
dictionary and you can tell me the exact meaning.
searching in.
Okay.
Anyone can answer. You can unmute and speak or you can write in the chat box. Okay, so exert is that extra effort. When we say extra effort, it means the physical and the mental effort. So Einstein was one of the greatest scientists that has been
Yes,
given
ma'am.
to us. He's another gift which has been given to us by the universe. And he used to say that he was so thankful to all the people because he said that he is what he is because he is dependent on everybody around. So many people helped him when he built his house. All the laborers, those helped him. Those people who laid pipes below the road, the plumbers, the electrician, and each and every person in his life, they helped him in the physical aspect. And those people, those who helped him to develop his mental attitude, to develop his intellect, those people were the people who really supported him and helped him to enhance his, the whole outlook, the whole perspective was changed. So he was very grateful. It is said that he used to take 100 times, he used to say thank you. Every time when he used to take a step, he would say thank you. So we are today learning to walk on his footsteps. We are today learning how to be grateful for what we have in our life. We need to identify those areas where we have not really understood that how to be grateful for what we have in our life. The eyes which we have, we can see everything around. We can walk. We have families. We have homes. Some people don't have. So, what is that feeling? As we grow in practicing this book, we will understand that how to intensify those feeling of gratitude. Yes, please.
With those words, Einstein gave us a gift equal to his scientific discoveries. He gave us one of the magical secrets to his success gratitude every day. Einstein is the inspiration behind today's magical practice, and you are going to follow in his footsteps to bring success to your life. Today, like Einstein, you will say thank you 100 times, and you are going to do it by taking 100 magic footsteps. While
Yes,
While
it
it
might.
might seem unbelievable to you that taking footsteps can make a difference to your life, you will you will discover that it is one of the most powerful things you can do. God gave you a gift of 86,400 seconds today. Have you used one to say thank you? William A. Ward, writer.
Okay, so we got 86,400 seconds today. How many times did we say gratitude? One time, two times, three times. How many times? That is
One,
why this book tells you that you give 10 gratitudes every day. And when we give gratitude, in the sense, we count our blessings. What happens is, by end of finishing the book and reading all the chapters, you will understand that you have done 280 times saying thank you. And just imagine we have 86,400 seconds every day. Okay, yes, please.
to take magic footsteps, you take one step and in your mind say the magic words thank you. As your foot touches the ground, and then again say thank you as your other foot touches the ground. One foot, thank you, next foot, thank you, and continue saying the magic words by every footstep. The best thing about magic footsteps is that you can take any number of magic footsteps anywhere at any time through your house, from one room to another, walking to get your lunch or coffee, taking the trash out, walking to a business meeting, on your way to catch a cab, train, or bus. You can take magic footsteps on your way to anything that is important to you, like exams, a date, a job, interview, an audition to meet a client, to the bank, ATM, dentist, doctor, hairdresser, to see your team play in a sports game, down corridors, through airport terminals and parks, or from one block to another. I take magic footsteps around my home, from my bed to my bathroom, kitchen to my bedroom, and outside to my car and the mailbox. Whenever I walk down a street or walk anywhere, I choose a point as my destination and I put gratitude in my footsteps all the way. If you take notice of how you're feeling before you begin, then you will notice a big difference in how you feel after you have taken magic footsteps. It doesn't matter if you can't get much of a feeling of gratitude while you are taking them. I promise you, you will still feel happier afterward. If you're feeling down, magic footsteps will make you feel better, and if you're feeling great, magic footsteps will lift your spirits even higher.
ओके,
To
सो हो सकता है कि आपको लगे कि इससे क्या होगा, मतलब अगर मैं थैंक यू बोल दूं तो क्या हो जाएगा, व्हाट अ बिग डील, मैं तो बोलता हूँ, मैं तो मंदिर भी जाता हूँ, मैं तो आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर मेनी थिंग्स इन लाइफ, दैट्स हाउ यू फील. बट इट इज सेड दैट व्हेन यू गिव कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ग्रैटिट्यूड, तो यहाँ पर 90 सेकेंड की बात हुई है, 86,400 सेकेंड्स, तो उसकी जब आप 2 minutes concentrated gratitude देते हैं, that is the time that you start creating a new life, a new you. That is the time, because when you say gratitude, you be in that happy mode. So if you are stuck somewhere, you just have to keep doing that concentrated gratitude practice. And what happens is you'll just get through all that situation in life. It is an experience which has been experienced by so many people, because it is all the concept of mind. You start giving concentrated gratitude and there is a shift in your brain, because your brain gets the message that the gratitude is giving you the feeling of happiness, and certain kinds of chemicals are produced. Those chemicals are clopamine, serotonin, endorphins. और वो जो chemicals हैं आपको, they give you that feeling of peaceful and calmness. क्योंकि जब आप स्ट्रेस में होते हैं तो those chemicals are produced which are negative. They give you negative feeling zone. You get into that feeling. So if you want to come out of that feeling, you need to understand. Because अगर आप negative feeling zone में जाते जाएंगे, your subconscious mind will get the message, because whatever the intention which is flowing there, the same feeling you will get more. Wherever the intention flows, the energy goes. This is the concept. तो जितनी चीज को आप इंटेंसिफाई करेंगे वही चीज और मैग्नेटाइज हो जाएगी. So when you are stressed and tensed, what happens is that there is a kind of feeling when, I'll just answer Son, I'll just answer. So when that feeling is there कि वो negativity आपके मन में आ जाती है, and what happens is that आपके मन में होता है, you start feeling those negative feelings. One of the feeling is fear. सबसे बड़ी feeling होती है fear. And second feeling is when you have that feeling of fight. Fear and fight, ये दो feelings आ जाती हैं. So if you have some kind of fear, you can just run like you are running in a marathon. It so happens because वो chemicals produce होते हैं. But when you are in a feeling of happiness, then you are feeling more peaceful and calm. And that is the time when you feel that yes, you can, you start creating more feeling, more situations like that in life, because the subconscious mind develops that feeling, और वही feeling बार बार expand होती है. Subconscious mind has a memory bank. तो जो भी फीलिंग आप उसमें डालते जाते हैं, जो आप ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, वो उसमें स्टोर होता जाता है, और जब वो स्टोर होता है तो वो एक्सपैंड होता है. वट एवर इंक्रीजेज एक्सपैंड्स, और जब वो एक्सपैंड हो जाता है तो वही आपको सिचुएशन बार बार मिलती है लाइफ में. अगर आप ज्यादा नेगेटिव जोन में जाते जाएंगे तो यू गेट मोर सिचुएशंस वेयर यू अट्रैक्ट मोर नेगेटिविटी, और फिर आप उसमें फंस जाते हैं, फिर आप नेगेटिव में आ जाते हैं, फिर दोबारा फंस जाते हैं. सो इट सो हैपेंस, यू अट्रैक्ट दैट, बिकॉज जो भी आपकी फीलिंग होती है उससे वाइब्रेशंस बनती हैं, and vibration is the language of the universe, and you start receiving the similar situation from the universe. But when you are in the happy state, when you are in the state of gratefulness, you start having more situations for you to be grateful for. So I'll just take one. Yes, Sonu, you want to say something? You can write in the chat box, or we can answer your question later if it is pertaining to this. Yes, thank you, Manisha. So when we finish this chapter, then you can raise a question. Okay, please continue.
to take The most effective magic footsteps. Take magic footsteps for about 90 seconds. This is how long it will take the average person to take 100 steps at a leisurable pace. This practice is not about taking 100 steps exactly, but taking at least that number of steps, because it will probably take that number of footsteps to make a difference to the way you feel. Once you are clear on the approximate distance, you can take your 100 steps of gratitude anytime during the day.
Okay,
Don't
so when you say that I am doing concentrated gratitude, concentrated मतलब एक ही बारी में आपको वो बोलना है, 90 सेकेंड मतलब 2 मिनट तक आपको वो चलते हुए बोल दीजिए या कुछ भी काम करते हुए बोल, जैसे कई लोग माला जपते रहते हैं, दिस इज वेस्टर्न कल्चर, दे टॉक अबाउट 100 टाइम्स, तो कोई कोई 108 बारी करते हैं. सो दे आर ऑल डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ एक्नॉलेजिंग. When I talk about gratitude, it means giving thank you, saying thank you, आभार प्रकट करना, या feeling appreciation for something. You acknowledge somebody. And that is when you get into the highest vibration mode and become the highest version of yourself. That is what Einstein was. He became the highest version of himself by giving gratitude all the time and saying that I am dependent on others. Yes, please. Yes,
once you are
Sandeep,
clear.
I think you can start from here once you are clear.
Yes, ma'am. Once you are clear on the approximate distance, you can take your 100 steps of gratitude anytime during the day. Don't count the footsteps when you are doing the practice, because you will be counting instead of saying thank you. The magic words will each step. When you have completed today's magical practice, you will have said the magic words thank you 100 times. How many days of your life have you said thank you 100 times? And Einstein did it every day.
Yeah. So one question is here. See, initially, it's from Rajiv, I think. So initially, you have to say thank you. Just make it a habit of saying. So your habit makes you what you are. Because जो आप practice करते हैं वो आपका habit बन जाती है, and that forms your belief system. That seeps into your mind. और वही आपकी habit बन जाती है. आप बार बार वो करते हैं. You have to fake it till you make it. So, जैसे आपने फेक करा शुरू में, वो प्रैक्टिस करना जो आप नहीं थे, आपने किसी ने आपको बोला कि तुम तो बिल्कुल कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हो, आपने वो मान लिया, यू बिलीव दैट एंड यू स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग दैट. किसी ने बोला कि तुम ये काम नहीं कर सकते, आपने वो भी मान लिया. किसी ने बोला तुम ऐसा सोचते हो, आपने वो भी मान लिया. सो यू स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट अननोइंगली और नोइंगली, बिकॉज वो आपके साथ हो रहा था, बट एक्चुअली यू क्रिएटेड इट. You created each and every thought, because nothing is by accident. No situation is by accident. It is all our reflection. We attracted it. This is the law of the universe. Just like there is law of gravitation, there is law of the universe, which says that whatever you attract, you start receiving, because you ask for it. हम सोचते हमने तो ये बोला ही नहीं था, हमारे साथ ऐसा हो गया, हमने तो कभी ऐसा करा ही नहीं किसी के साथ. But you don't know what is going on in the mind. Our thoughts are not pure. There is jealousy, there is greed, there is anger all the time. There is guilt कि हमने ये नहीं कर पाए, हम वो नहीं कर पाए. आपके अंदर खुद में दुख होता है इतना ज्यादा. कहीं पे भी संतोष, कहीं पर भी कुछ खुशी. See, it is okay to have that up and down feeling. It's okay. We are all humans. But बार बार एक ही similar situation आना is where you need to understand that you are stuck somewhere. अगर आपकी लाइफ में बार बार प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, so you need to understand then you how can you work on that situation, because you are in survival mode. तभी तो आप बार बार वो सिचुएशन अट्रैक्ट करें. यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, पुल योरसेल्फ आउट फ्रॉम दैट नेगेटिविटी एंड यू हैव टू फिल इन more positivity, and that is only when you start practicing gratitude. तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? The best way is, if I tell you, that is जो आपके पास है उसमें आप उसी में आप enjoy करिए. That is how I started the class today, by saying that what you have, you are so grateful for the people who made this house for you. You are so grateful that you have your your eyes. You can walk around, you can do all your work, you have a family, you have a home, you have your education. So there are so many things. Maybe others don't have this. So what you have, be grateful for that. So slowly and gradually, by practicing this, you will understand the power of gratitude and you will magnetize that. And the best way of doing this is those who join today, for them, because we have been practicing this magic book and we have been practicing the law of attraction and various other laws of the universe, and how we attract similar situation one by one, just by attracting it, just by our subconscious mind. So we need to reprogram our subconscious mind. And how we can do that? We can do that just before sleeping. That 5 minutes before sleeping is the time when our subconscious mind is most active. So if at that time, whatever thought we give to that, it reprograms. Just like हम एक नया पौधा लगाते हैं, नए बीज, नई खाद डालते हैं. Similarly, we start giving gratitude. We think of the best experience that we had that day. We think कि आज सबसे अच्छा क्या हुआ, आज मैंने क्या अच्छा खाना बनाया, या आज मैंने क्या अच्छा बोला, या किसने मेरे साथ क्या अच्छे से बात करी, या मैंने आज किसी के लिए क्या अच्छा करा. So when you start doing that, maybe you start with just one thing, but जब आप वो करते हैं and then you wake up in the morning with the same feeling, and those feelings you carry on throughout the day, maybe for a few hours, but that starts with you. That is the how it that is the procedure how it starts. And then you incorporate that in your lifestyle. You start keeping yourself busy with more positive things. You start जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी है या तो आपसे दूर हो जाएगी, या आपको समझ आ जाएगी कि मैं उनसे कैसे दूर हटूं. And you will find solutions. You will start finding, resolving things on your own. You create your own life because you create your thought. And the first step to this is to be aware of your thoughts. तो जैसे ही आप अवेयर होते हैं अपनी थॉट के बारे में, आपको समझ आ जाता है कि मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिविटी में जा रहा हूँ, या मैं बिल्कुल ठीक जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कभी कभी उतार चढ़ाव तो आता ही है लाइफ. But then you regain yourself. You understand that this is it, and I need to pull myself out of this negativity. I need to do this. And how you can do this is by understanding the situation, by being aware. That is the first step. तो जब आप सोचते हैं, आप उसके लिए भी थैंक यू करिए कि आपको समझ तो है कि क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है. एंड देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग. आई मीन जब आप कुछ ऐसा कुछ फील करते हैं तो आप ये सोच लेते हैं कि ऐसा हो रहा है, because the more you resist, the more it will persist. Yeah, so someone is saying something. Okay, okay. You are नाम क्या है? Inda. Okay, and you are using your husband's phone. Okay, okay, perfect, no problem.
Ingita. My name is Ingita.
Okay, Ingita, welcome, welcome. Fine. So, and Sandeep is saying that negative thoughts and overthinking can kill our mind and our dreams too. Yes, and I have so many wonderful sharings today. Sandeep, who is writing this, Sandeep has really transformed miraculously after joining this. So do you
I'm
have
glad.
something to say, Sandeep?
I will share later on.
Okay. Yeah. And I would also like to add here that all those who are not keeping well, we all as a community prayed for them, and they all have healed and they are doing very well in their lives. So thanks to all of you who supported, and we all prayed for them. That is a wonderful message I got from all of them today. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah. Magic practice number 19.
Magic footsteps. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Take 100 magic footsteps for about 90 seconds in gratitude for any time during the day. With each step, say and feel the magic words thank you. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep, for reading so beautifully. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma'am.
much. Okay, so this chapter talks about how such a person, the biggest scientist, can be so grateful, can be so down to earth, and respect and acknowledge each and every person. He used to appreciate every person who came into his life. चाहे वो छोटा हो चाहे बड़ा, ये नहीं कि वो बच्चा है तो मैं उससे सीख नहीं सकता, हम बच्चों से भी कुछ सीख सकते हैं. So life में you understand that every situation, whatever comes in our life is to give us some learning. तो आप सिचुएशन को होल्ड करके मत बैठिए, उसमें से लर्निंग देखिए क्या है, and then move on in life so that you don't create that negativity again. और अगर वो फिर से आती है, again you handle it, because challenges तो आएंगे लाइफ में, challenges सबके लाइफ में आते हैं, but you understand how to handle them with the power of being grateful. एंड बीइंग ग्रेटफुल जिन लोगों ने आपकी सहायता करी, जिन लोगों ने आपको सपोर्ट करा एट द टाइम व्हेन यू मोस्ट नीडेड इट, दैट इज द टाइम यू नीड टू बी always thank them. You need to identify those people, you need to identify those situations where you are stuck and how those people, helped you, supported you. So you need to be very grateful for them. Okay, yeah, so we can take up questions and then I have some more sharings here. Any questions? You can unmute and speak or you can write in the chat box. Okay. So you were saying something, Sonu was saying something. You can raise your question. Because you have to understand that no task is fully important as the task of giving gratitude. That is the highest task you have to do. तो सुबह उठते ही आपको शुक्राना करना है उन सांसों का जो आपको मिली है, ये लाइफ जो कि हमें एक गिफ्ट मिला है. We need to be thankful for that life given to us. We got another day, which is a beautiful day. So enjoy your day by giving gratitude and create magic and miracles in your life. So, one minute.
Ma'am, you know what? Ma'am, after joining these sessions, I am experiencing many changes in my life
Yeah,
daily.
please tell. Yes, please
So,
tell
ma'am,
others. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
क्या चेंजेस आपको लगा संदीप?
I'm like daily grateful, thank you बोलना. I'm like छोटी छोटी चीजें मैम लाइक कुछ भी होता है तो उसके लिए हम थैंकफुल रहते हैं
Wow.
माइंड में. यस मैम.
Very nice,
एंड
very nice. I'm very happy for you because you are practicing it and then
यस
you are
मैम.
experiencing also.
यस मैम.
क्योंकि छोटी छोटी खुशियों में जब आप खुशी ढूंढते हैं, then you start creating that abundance in your life. आपको और खुशियाँ मिलने लग जाती हैं because आपके subconscious mind को वो मैसेज मिल रहा है और वो मैसेज से वो और ज़्यादा it has a memory bank और उस memory bank में वो store होती जाती है and when it starts expanding you start getting more situations like that in your life and I'm
Now
seeing
मैम
a lot of
I
things 360 degrees turn I'm seeing in Sandeep's life.
मैम I always say thanks before taking my meal.
Very nice, very nice.
I think, Sangeeta, during COVID time, we are thankful that we have a good health. That is the
Yeah.
main thing. When we get up in the morning, we always pray to God.
Yes.
That's what's important. I know a lot of people, we are getting our work getting affected and all that, but we should not feel sad. We should be thankful to God for giving us, healthy life. That's what right now.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Vidu. Wonderful
And
share.
ma'am, you are taking such a great initiative for changing
Yes,
others' lives
yes.
also.
Thank you so much for
Yes.
acknowledging. Thank
And
you.
during these times, we need this type of,
Yeah.
reassurance and practice so that
Yeah.
we don't go into depression.
Yeah. This lockdown is also helping us. So there's a positive side to it too. Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
That is the fact.
All thanks to Sangeeta.
Yes.
It is all your effort. You all are here. So
By God's grace, somehow you connected us. You took all the efforts to make us positive. Because sometimes something or the other we say ye nahi, wo nahi. But because you explained everything so well in the sections, तो याद रहता है नहीं यार ये ऐसे बोला था संगीता ने. That mind you are in our mind nowadays.
okay. So kind of you. So kind of. It's
No,
all you.
really. I think this might be with everybody because we hear तो कभी that person comes in
Yes.
your mind. So I think this might be with everybody.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Thank you. Thank you so much for acknowledging. Okay. So now we have a sharing here.
Most amazing part of the session.
Different. I'm learning. Yes. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much.
Already in heaven.
Yeah.
Hello. And
Heaven
we
and
are,
hell, all are here.
as a human being, we are destroying it.
Yeah.
Yes, very true. Yes.
Ah.
Very true. So,
Like we are not respecting our Mother Earth.
anything you would like to add, Sucheta? Something you want to say? Anyone would like to say something? Because this is an interactive session where after what we understand, we ponder on our thoughts. And if Chawla ji would like to add something, so you're most welcome on this platform. Please give your views and suggestions.
Yeah. Thank you, Sangeeta. It's very nice.
Thank you.
A good beginning in terms of gratitude. See, it is very relative level. I'm just telling some very thing relative level. How many of us or most of us will have servants in our family, either full-time, part-time, and we get so used to their service. In the mind of minds, we feel that we are paying for the service. So what is there to thank them? What is, I mean, they are doing something for the money and we are paying them money. So why there is a need for gratitude for these people who are helping us? So I am helping them, they are helping me. It's a quid pro arrangement. Now, this COVID time, when our services we used to get, did not get. Our maids used to come. If she doesn't come for 2 days, then you see how important her services were to us. If our gutter does not get cleaned by those people who are going down the gutter and cleaning them, how can we live in that place when the gutter is not cleaned? You cannot stand.
Yeah.
You cannot stand. So that we have in our mind somehow, it has been deep rooted in our mind that we are taking service, we are paying for them. There is nothing that we need to be gratitude for them. No. But today what we shared, as you have started with, even Einstein is such a big scientist. He's saying thank you to all 100 times and all that during the day. We are in debt. We are in debt from the time we are born. In debt for everything, to our parents, to our teachers, to our so lakhs and lakhs of people who have helped us to grow where we are today. So, rightly, if we develop the attitude of gratitude, that will become a way of our life. And once it starts becoming a way of our life, we will enjoy, and automatically words will come out of our mouth. When something does good, we will say thank you. And it should be so happening that we would say thank you, as our Swamiji says, thank you to our enemies also, because enemies, if they were not enemies, we will not know what our weaknesses are. So thank you all. Thank you, Sangeeta, for the nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderfully explained. Because जब हम शुक्राना के मोड में आते हैं, the first gratitude is to the Mother Earth and to our mother, because that is how we got our life. और जो भी हमारी लाइफ में सिचुएशन आते हैं, जितने भी लोग हमारी लाइफ में आते हैं, we should be grateful to all of them. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं से हमें कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, कुछ ना कुछ हमारे को लर्निंग मिलती है. एंड इफ वी डेवलप दैट एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड, एज राइटली सेड बाय चावला जी, दैट विल बी इम्बाइब्ड इनटू अस. वो जो फीलिंग है, दैट फीलिंग विल ऑलवेज इंटेंसिफाई, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गेट बैक इन मैनी फोल्ड्स, because universe will always give you more what you ask. Okay. The name of the book is Magic. Yeah, today is your first day. I'll just show you the book, and I will share the PDF also in the group, if you are in the group. And this is the book, so you can see. This is by Rhonda Bryan. And we are studying this and we are practicing. So today, just imagine, just close your eyes for a moment and take that one big step to gratitude, because that will give you those higher vibration and you will become the highest version of yourself. So when you close your eyes and you just imagine that you are taking that first step to the good feeling zone. When we talked about the two feelings, the good feeling and the bad feeling. Good feeling में सबसे highest feeling है love, gratitude, contentment, hopeful, joy, happiness. ये सब good feelings हैं. और उसमें जब आप gratitude करते हैं, so you just, that is the first step you are making, and you are creating that situation to be always happy. Because when you are grateful, you are happy. तो कभी ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि आप ग्रेटफुल भी हो और आप चिंतित भी हो, आप ग्रेटफुल भी हो रहे हैं और आप दुख में भी हैं. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज यू ओनली हैव, कहते हैं ना, एक म्यान में दो तलवार नहीं हो सकते. सो इट इज दैट फीलिंग. एंड विद दैट नोट वी कंक्लूड आवर दिस चैप्टर टुडे. एनी क्वेश्चंस और एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क फर्दर? ओके. So thank you all for joining.
Thank you for such a wonderful session.
Thank you, Sangeeta.
To see you again tomorrow.
Thank you,
Yes, see you
Sangeeta.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Love you all. Take care.
Hi, Sangeeta. Angita here. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hi. You are Ignita.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Ignita.
Hello.
Good. Good to see you.
Lovely.
Are you in the group?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
That's how I got that.
Okay. I'll share the PDF in the group.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
please share that video also.
Thank you for being here.
Ma'am,
Okay,
please share that
take
video
care.
also.
Love you all. Bye. Bye-bye.
Love you too.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.